Hey everybody, today we're going to be playing Paint My Keyboard again because it just got an update. Oh, I can finally buy this. Whoa, keycaps? Whoa. Okay, that's a lot. Okay, I really want this one. That's exclusive. I think that's... Yeah, these are the 6-7 keys. I don't have enough of those. I don't have enough Robux for that. But... Oh, we have to get rebirths for the next. Okay. Okay, we need to get rebirths for some of these too. Okay. Refill this. Let's start making money. We need 600 million? Oh my gosh. There we go, 19 workers. Just max this out probably, hopefully. And tank. And high speed. Okay, perfect. Okay. Now, we should be flying through this a lot quicker. 13,000 every single second. What does this even do? Enable. $2x money. Okay. I think I know what that means, but like, okay. Alright, so I guess I have to maybe increase the roll speed and 100% the luck. Let me just do that. Okay, boom, perfect. Okay. Alright, yeah, these are actually pretty good. Okay, alright. Okay, now let's do this. Let's upgrade that. Perfect. Upgrade this. Perfect. Okay, we have 3x money. And we got so much. I think this is our best, the banana. I think, right? Yeah, so the first is always the best. Okay, I do like that it always puts the best ones in the front. Okay, that's pretty good. So I'm probably gonna have a lot of stars, right? Yeah. Still, that's pretty good money times multiplier. 2x is actually pretty good still. Okay. So I need more paint workers, which paint workers are the only way you can get paint workers is from rebirthing, but the workers that just step on it is always from the workers upgrade thing. And I did actually I can get 4x money and okay. That's gonna take a little bit. But wait. I did purchase ooh. Let me buy this. I'll have to buy this, bro. Okay, and then I can buy how much workers can I buy? Okay. Okay. I need 1 million to expand those two. Okay. This should be pretty easy. And did we get anything better? Okay, we got 4 bananas and 1 key, which is doing 1k every per step. But I am not gonna keep on stepping on it just because I want to make more money. That's not what I want to do. It's because some of these like turn white, and that's gonna lower the price of the money. So I need to also help my guys because they don't have. I don't think they got the big. Yeah, they only got the one keyboard thick paintbrush thing. So I also need to help them out by also painting over all of this. Because then I'm gonna make even like lower money if I'm just stepping on those only. I'm gonna make it way less money if I'm just stepping on these. So I think the more money I make from this is the way more better I can probably make more stuff with that. Bang. Perfect. This one. We go and bang. Okay. Let me. Okay, so now we're making like 24,000, 26. Yeah, 24,000, about like 24 to 26,000, and we are not getting that much money as I thought we would get. We would be getting. That's a lot. We can get some of those, I guess, maybe. What's the next paint we can buy? 600,000. Okay. 600,000 should be pretty easy, I think, maybe. I think so. So 400,000 already done. 500,000. Okay, yeah, we're gonna do this. Alright, 600,000. Let's go over here. Go to buy paint. How much does this do? More. That's technically like almost double the amount of my last one. Okay, that's pretty good. Let's equip that. And bang. Just refill our thing so we can make the most money out of this. And bang, that's one row. This is gonna be the second. And let's do this one. Okay, we need to get rid of all of these like white paint. We got our best. We have a guy as a frog, 60x. Okay, it's pretty good. Alright, all of the light purple, we got or the light pink. I don't know. What is this color in the comments, guys? What is this? Is this like a pinkish color, I think, maybe? But yeah, now I'm making way more money. Let's do this. Bang. Perfect. Okay. Okay, there's a lot of colors that we have not painted over here. Boom. Okay. We've only got one frog, so it is not that good. But we are getting 40,000 every single second, so that is pretty good. And I think we need 5 million for the next paint. So I think we're gonna save up for that, and then after we get that, I think the best thing we can get is maybe more workers, or try to upgrade our luck on that. But for right now, let's try to get to 5 million, and then after we get to 5 million, we can think about what we can do later. So we can do 60,000 if I am actually like stepping on this. Okay. Ooh, that's actually pretty. Okay. Alright. I think. Okay. We can almost get. Okay, that just, I think, almost doubles it. Boom. Boom. There we go. Let's just do this real quick. And yeah. We are cooking. So. This is going pretty good for right now. We're painting over all of the pink ones. Okay, now we're doing 150,000 every single second. So, yeah, I think we're kind of making good money really goodly, like really fast. So, yeah. Like if I just walk over these, I get like 130,000 every single second. Or 150,000, like that was crazy. Let's upgrade the luck on that and speed on that. Okay, perfect. Alright, now we should be getting insane stuff. Right now, I think I'm just gonna try to AFK this a little bit, or cut to when I have a lot of money, and then I'll come back to you guys when I see what I do with that money. Okay, so I think I have a little bit of money, so I might just do like worker speed in a little bit, and then hire workers and hire the max amount of workers I can physically hire. Go back over here and hire more. That's the best thing, I think. Boom. Okay. Now we get way more when we step on the keyboard. Sorry. So yeah, that's pretty good, and yeah, we are cooking. And we have a lot of stars though, but it's fine. At least we got 2 frogs now. That's pretty good. They make me 21,000, I think the max is. If I step on it when I clean it, I think it was like 21.6 thousand. Okay. That's the max amount I can make right now. Okay. From just 1 key. That's actually pretty good. From like just 1 key, I can make 20. Okay, there's a lot of white. Okay, what is happening? Alright. Boom. It's right here. See what the next paint thing is gonna be? 30 million? But that is going to be like double. Or, no, not double. Like white? Okay. Let's do more worker speed. More my speed. And yeah. Okay, let's see. Okay, we're doing like 360 every single time we step on a normal one. And then with the frog, times it by 60, so that's going to be insane. Times it by 60 and it's like 21.6. I think it was the last time I stepped on it and it was like good. Okay, let's expand this. Boom. Bang. Okay, perfect. And let's also get the 5 million one. Boom. Okay, there we go. Good. There's a lot. Why is there so much islands? Okay. Or land, not islands. Okay, let's step on all these. Okay. Got 3 million. 4, actually. Let's get 5 million real quick. Okay, there we go. Perfect. There we go. Increase the luck a little bit more. But I need to get something better than a frog. Yeah. Alright, so now we are just walking over everything. That's actually, yeah, we just need to walk up. We just need to walk on everything that is just not what we are. Like not exactly orange, but like they're turning white. We need to walk on everything that's turning white to make it back to orange. Okay. The workers. Buy 1 more worker. Okay, 4 million for another worker. Okay. Alright, yeah, we need way more paint workers because this is, I already see so much like paint that's already drying. Okay. 7 million. Let's get this land. And we just gotta keep on painting over all this. Okay. We're making about 150,000 every single second. 180,000 that one time. Okay, nice. I think I'm gonna save up to 30 million here, just so I can get what was it? 30 million just so I can get the new paint. And yeah. I don't know if it is worth it just going on just these 2, because I feel like it is, but I also think it's not, because this other paint is gonna be drying and I don't have that much paint workers, so I need to go over them and I'm gonna be making less money. Yeah, I think it's better if I just do it myself, just walking around this whole place. 17 point, okay, 18 million. Rebirth is gonna take a while. Yeah, we're gonna need we're getting something that's actually insane for rebirth, because rebirthing is not going to be that easy. I guess. Let's see if I get any rewards. Oh, I joined the group. Oh, dang it. Okay. There's update 2. There was an update today that added, I don't know what it added, but I think it added something. Well, I think it added those, keys, like, those paints that are now for rebirth. And this should be pretty easy to get there, because I just need to get better keys equals better money, and then more money equals way faster stuff. Okay, let's head back because we're about to get it. Boom, 39. Perfect. Let's go up a little, and I'm not even gonna try to pronounce that, but yeah, whatever that is. Okay, boom. Now we're getting about 300,000, and we haven't even covered everything. So 400,000. We're making 400,000, and we haven't covered everything. Yeah, so this is actually insane. Whoa. Okay. 400,000, and we haven't covered anything. That's crazy. Okay. Now we have covered everything, and we're getting 300,000. Okay, wait, we haven't covered everything yet. Let's see if we have covered. Okay, wait, have we making less money than we had like before we filled everything? Okay, that's weird. Let's increase the luck and the speed on these. Please give me something good. I just need something insane. Do that and that, I guess. Yeah, I do not want stars. Just give me. Okay, I got a pretzel. Pretzel is 15x. That is not as good as my 2 frogs. Okay, so I think I might just need to get like something OP. Like, I think I might just need to get a good keycap. Like right off the bat, I might have to get like this 1 in 800,000 or 1 in 2 million. If I get lucky, I'll probably get one of these 2 in the bottom here. I'm not gonna get that exclusive though. Sorry, oh my gosh, I'm so sick. What is happening? Why am I so sick right now? Okay. Making about 400,000 every single second here. And I think we can make more if we step on these. Yeah, we'll get like 500,000. Maybe if we step on them more, we can get like 600. Maybe. Okay, we just went down for stepping on them. How's that even physically possible? Okay. Alright, so we got 37 million. Increased worker speed by a ton. Please. We need all these workers to walk fast, so they can just step on everything way faster. Oh my gosh, what is actually happening with Minecraft? Alright. Okay, they need to step on everything. Oh, okay, is there a leaderboard? See who has, okay, the money. I have 3rd place, the most money. Okay. I have 2nd place now. Okay, that's pretty good. What do theirs look like? We can't even see what theirs look like. Okay. Alright. We got 20 million. I'm gonna spend it on these 2. Max. Oh, we got the max roll speed. I'm gonna get the max roll luck. Which, okay, what is that? 125. Okay, I think that's double plus 5. It's okay. So that's actually pretty good. I just boosted it up by so much. Okay, let's try to cover all of these white. It was not paying attention. There we go. Perfect. Okay. So we are getting 500,000 every single second, and why is this taking so slow? What is the next thing to buy? Okay, so that's a little bit of a long way to go. Boom, okay. We got a lot of workers working us. Okay. Okay, let's refill the paint if it's refilling or it's not. I don't even know. Can I walk? What is happening with this lag? Okay, this is like a skip 30 minutes. 30 minutes takes 133 minutes. Okay, so I might need to actually try to expand everything. Okay, we're reaching the last area to expand land, because we can't expand the land any farther than this. That's good. Okay. What's happening on the leaderboard right now? One QN. People are reaching QDs now? Oh my gosh. Okay. Alright. Last I saw was they were on the low trillions. Now they're in the quintillions. That's a little bit insane. Okay, there is still more. Okay. I'm only getting +3 here. Or 33s, I think. I need to fill everything in. Okay. We're getting 570. That is not good. Or 600,000. I guess that's kind of good, but like we need 600 million. Like, dang, that's gonna take a little bit. Okay, let's just get this, and I think this will be a pretty good video for right now, because yeah, we're not gonna get to this. I thought we were gonna be getting like 2 reverts every single video, but we could have got 1 this video. But we at least got this. I think this is pretty good. So yeah, I haven't got a few more paints. So if you guys want to see more videos like this one, make sure you guys like and subscribe, and comment your best part. The best part of this video. Comment what you thought was the best part of this video, and the best paint you have. And yeah, bye.